Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra widgets are not loading. If you're using Galaxy S22 Ultra and you're facing the issue that your widgets are not loading, like your Google widgets or your weather widgets, your clock and your device manager or battery widgets are not loading, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing I recommend, you just have to go to your settings app here. Make sure that you're connected to the internet using your Wi-Fi or cellular data. Then go back here, go to your software update section, click on check for updates, and make sure that you're up to date. Your phone might have an pending software update here. If you get decide to update your phone, after updating your phone, go back and open your widget. Like if you're facing the same issue with your clock widget, click on your widget. Your widget will be open and it will be refreshed. You can also try the same thing with your Google Weather or your Google search bar widgets. You just have to click on that widget, or you can also try to keep a long press on the widget, click on remove, and then keep a long press on any empty place on your home screen. Select widgets from here, and just select the widget you want to re-add on your screen. Like I'm gonna add my Gemini widget here. Just keep a long press on the widget, scroll and drag and drop anywhere you want to set it up. So it might will fix your issue. But if you're still facing the same issue, your widgets are still not loading and still not working as well, so you can try to make a forced restart with your device, because sometimes it might be a software glitch which can be easily fixed by restarting your device. Or you can also try to update your apps. For example, if you're facing the issue with your Gemini app, so you can open your Play Store here, go to search, and here just search for Gemini and just try to update your app. So you can see my app is up to date. If you might get any update button here, try to update your app. If you're facing the same issue with your Google app or any widget of your Google, so you can search for Google here and just go to update your Google app. Because sometimes it might be a app issue, like your app is not up to date. Your app might have any pending updates, so you cannot use that app, and there's that's widgets as well. So once you updated your app, just make a force restart with your phone. Now for this, just press and hold your volume down and your power button at the same time for almost 5 to 15 seconds. It might take 5 to 15 seconds to make a force restart. Once your screen goes completely black, and then you might get a Samsung logo here. So once you see the Samsung logo, just release the buttons and wait for your phone until it restarts. So once your phone has been restarted, you just have to wait for almost 10 to 15 seconds, because once you have make a force restart with your phone might have a laggy issue for almost 15 to 30 seconds. So you have to use your phone almost 10 to 15 or something. It might take up to 30 seconds. Just use your phone, and once you get that your phone is not normal, you just have to still choose a widget with which you're facing the issue. Just click on that widget and you see that your issue has been now fixed. So in this way, you can easily fix your widgets in your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.